Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody! My name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is uling, coal, uling, uling, coal. Minahan ng uling, coal mine. Minahan ng uling. Gas, 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 gas. Gumagamit kami ng natural na gas para painitin ang pabrika. We use natural gas to heat the factory. Gumagamit kami ng natural na gas para painitin ang pabrika. Tela, textile, tela, tela, textile, pabrika ng tela, textile factory, pabrika ng tela. Kuryente, electricity, kuryente, kuryente, electricity, solar na kuryente, solar electricity, solar na kuryente. Pampasok, input, pampasok, pampasok, input, pampasok ng impormasyon, data input, pampasok ng impormasyon. Pangingisda, fishing, pangingisda, pangingisda, fishing, pangingisda ng salmon, salmon fishing, pangingisda ng salmon. Turismo, tourism, turismo, turismo, tourism, industriya ng turismo, tourism industry, industriya ng turismo. Magluwas, export, magluwas, magluwas, export, magluwas ng aming mga produkto, export our products, magluwas ng aming mga produkto. Mag-angkat, import. Mag-angkat, mag-angkat, import. Mag-angkat ng mga kalakal. Import some goods. Mag-angkat ng mga kalakal. Sasakyan, automobile. Sasakyan, sasakyan. Automobile. Pabrika ng sasakyan. Automobile factory. Pabrika ng sasakyan. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say coal? Uling. Uling. And how to say gas? Gas. Gas. What about textile? Tela. Tela. Do you remember how to say electricity? Kuryente. Kuryente. Let's try input. Pampasok. Pampasok. What about fishing? Pangingisda. Pangingisda. Now, let's see if you remember how to say tourism. Turismo. Turismo. Another one. What about export? Magluwas. Magluwas. Do you remember how to say import? Mag-angkat. Mag-angkat. And finally, do you remember how to say automobile? Sasakyan. Sasakyan. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!